So we're at the end of week 15. We did a couple small things. We had customers in town, so we didn't do much. Been raining cold. But we do have the wiring kind of laid back into the, now we've got the dash panel up. We've got the wiring loom run and kind of laying out where the different systems are going. That's the AC system over there. All of this right here is stuff that's on the interior. And then out here in the truck, we brought the harness through the firewall. We've routed the everything that goes to the rear of the vehicle, and everything that's going to the front of the vehicle is running through this hole. This would be the lights and the turn signals in the park. And then the different systems, the coil, choke. Over here we've got kind of the wiring running to where it'll come down into the relay. And this week, we'll start hooking all this stuff back up in the back of the vehicle. We've got the harness coming down. Nothing's in place. It's just kind of laying in place right now. Got a lot of work to do, but that's kind of where we're at for this week. Just getting the wiring laid in, and then the top of the cab, like I was saying before, we've added this bracket right here. This was for 56, but you can make it work. That's where the light will go. A switch for the light. I put a little foam right up there to kind of push against the top of the cab. And over here is the attachment. So what's going to happen is that bulb right there will come on with the doors open, and then the wire for the dome light back here will run through this channel and come to the dome light. It's a switched light. So it's that's it. Appreciate you watching, catching up on where we're at. Again, it's just little things. There's no real rush right now. Look, once I got the cab on, that was the hard part. Once we get all this wiring tucked up and everything started back up again, kind of the lights working and stuff, we'll put the bed on and then start to assemble the truck. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.